Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I want to talk about milk pumps and why they have become an important tool for many mothers. A milk pump can help mothers collect and store milk for later use. Many mothers choose to pump because it provides flexibility and helps them manage busy daily schedules. There are different types of pumps available, including manual pumps and electric pumps. Each type has its own advantages, and the best choice often depends on a mother's lifestyle and personal preferences. Many mothers prefer manual pumps because they are lightweight, portable, and easy to carry while traveling. Others choose electric pumps because they can make regular pumping sessions more convenient. Before using any pump, it is important to make sure all parts are clean and assembled correctly. Good hygiene helps create a safe and comfortable pumping routine. Comfort is also important. Many mothers find that choosing a comfortable setting and a relaxed environment makes pumping sessions much easier. Regular cleaning after every use is another important habit. Proper maintenance helps keep the pump ready for future sessions and supports a hygienic routine. Many mothers also find that creating a consistent pumping schedule helps make the process feel more organized and manageable. Remember that every mother's journey is different. The best pump is usually the one that fits naturally into your routine and feels comfortable to use. With practice, consistency, and good organization, a milk pump can become a simple and valuable part of daily life. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.